Welcome to another video. Today I will be doing a review of this cute little machine sent to me from the brand Liene. It's called the PixCut S1 and it's a fun, unique little machine that can print and cut photos and stickers all at once. This product retails for $2.99 on Amazon. Very easy to unbox. It comes with the manual, it comes with the ink cartridge, as well as two types of paper to print and cut with, and then the charger and the machine itself. Isn't it cute? It's kind of cute. I love how small and lightweight this machine is. You can put it in any part of your craft room and it won't be in the way at all. I love how lightweight it is. As mentioned, this product can print and cut all at once. So this is the cut side where you can cut any kind of stickers that you like. And then on the other side of the machine is where you will put your paper to print. You can print photos, you can print stickers, and you can cut. And then you have the ink cartridge. So you just make sure to insert the ink cartridge and then you will power on the machine and use the app that's given to you in the manual to use it. The machine itself was very easy to set up. The ink cartridge was easy to put in and the paper is also easy to put in. As per the manual, all you have to do is just take the paper, slide it in with the correct size, and you can put it right back in the machine for storage or to use for printing. So I wanted to try to print a photo. This is a cute photo of me and my pregnant belly. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out on the machine. So all you have to do is insert the paper at the bottom of the machine and the machine will do its work based off the app. The app was really easy to use and it was very beginner friendly, which is one thing I really love about using the app for this machine. This is how the photo came out. It looks really good, very vibrant, very colorful. And what I love about this is that you can tear off the sides so that you can use it in any kind of junk journaling or frame it so the white pieces do not stay. So now it looks like this. It looks really good. Now let's print and cut some stickers. I'm really excited because I want to make a planner spread with these stickers. So I'm going to do several sticker sheets and I just want to show you guys how easy and fun it is to use this machine. It is very vibrant, very easy to follow, and the cuts are really accurate. It also takes a very short amount of time to cut all the stickers out. So in between the time of printing and cutting, it does not take long at all. And I did multiple sticker sheets and they were able to be done quickly. I just want to show how the app looks on my phone. The app is very good with being specific with the whole process and telling you the status of the process, which I really do like. So at the end, it will tell you when it is finished and it will tell you in the middle of the process how far along it is as well. Just make sure to leave the app open the whole time. Now that we got our sticker sheets printed, let's go ahead and make a really fun planner spread in my planner. I'm actually excited to try these stickers on paper. Many people have been enjoying using these stickers. So let's go ahead and put a planner spread together. I thought it'd be fun to do Women's Month is coming. So I thought it'd be fun to do a girl power planner spread in my planner with my new stickers. These stickers peel off the sticker sheet very easily, so that's really good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my planner spread together, so I hope you guys enjoy. I really enjoyed trying the Liene PixCut S1 machine. It was so fun to use, very easy to follow, and I was able to make stickers within literally like a couple of minutes. The paper was easy to write on with my ballpoint pen, and I really enjoyed putting this spread together. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well, and I thank you so much for watching. If you want a fun new addition to your craft room, make sure you check out this machine.